Alright, out here getting some wolf sets in. I normally can't access this area, but thanks to the warm winter, I can. Got a real flashy dirt hole set there that's going to blend in. Supposed to get a little bit of snow, so it'll cover that up. Muskrat under the log, some of my dog's fur on the log, and some coyote piss on the log. And before I made the set, I had my dog kind of run around, get some dog scent there. I think we're going to go up there now and put another setup on the ridge. When I come back down, I'm going to get some signs up saying that there's traps in the area and they're on camera. Put cameras up somewhat near my sets, not too close, but that way if anything nefarious goes on, I can see what's going on, but not alert the wolves to my sets. So, gonna get going here, get my scent out of this area, and move along. Thanks for watching.